Hello everyone. So today I'm going to share with you my top 2 tips for productivity. So basically, when it comes to productivity, there are 2 areas that you need to increase. The capacity for you to achieve as much as you can in a specific time slot, in a specific time, and the capacity for you to increase your productivity during a specific time slot. And for that, there are 2 techniques. So the first technique, in order for you to achieve more, is to batch. To batch the production of your writing sessions, of your video recordings, of your podcasts, of your meetings. If you batch things and you do them one after the other and you do that in a row, you're going to be much more productive than if you would do that on a regular basis or whenever you feel right to do so. So really, I recommend you to dedicate some time in your calendar, remove notification, turn off your phone, turn off the Wi-Fi, and just produce content. Do what you have to do in a row for a couple of hours, maybe for half a day or maybe a full day, if it's even better. And be sure that you focus on the only tasks that you have to do. And during that session, be sure also to use a timer and to keep the rhythm, because if you plan to record, let's say, 5 videos a day, and then if you spend half day to just record the first one, you are just going to miss your goals and that you are going to become very disappointed. So in that case, just put the timer to be sure that you stick to the planning and you produce exactly what you plan to do in these days. And the fact that you batch, it's going to become easier and easier and easier for you, and you're going to be very, very productive. So that was the first tip, to batch things. Then the second one is the opposite, is to increase your capacity to do something. And in order for you to increase your capacity to do something, it has to become a habit. It has to become something that is easy for you to dive into, to do. And in that case, the solution is the daily habit. So basically, if you want to become better at producing video content, at producing a podcast, etc., exactly like I'm doing right now, produce your stuff on daily basis at a specific time. You know that you have that in your calendar. You arrive at your office and you have your 1 hour session for video production, 1 hour session for writing, or half an hour session for posting or planning the social media. Whatever are the things that you have to do, just dedicate regular time for that. And if you do that on daily basis, after maybe 3 weeks, a month or so, or 90 days, it depends of people and the rules, you will become really, really good at producing and doing what you want to achieve. So that was my 2 top tips for productivity. Batch things in order to be highly productive, and plan things on daily basis to force yourself to teach yourself to do something in a very easy way. I hope it helps, and I wish you a great day, and I'm going to talk to you very soon in another episode. Bye for now.